Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to improve the battery lifespan on the Samsung Galaxy A07. Now to do that, just open settings, then tap on battery. And from here, you will find the option of battery protection. Just tap on it. And from here, you will be able to enable battery protection on your Samsung phone. And over here, you will find the different levels of the battery protection feature on your Samsung phone. First of all, you have the option of basic. And in basic battery protection mode, your smartphone will stop charging when the battery level reaches to 100%, and it will wait until the battery level drops down to 95%, and it will start charging again. And after that, you have the option of adaptive. And in adaptive battery protection mode, the charging of your smartphone will stop at 80% while you're asleep, and it will continue charging before you wake up. And finally, you have the option of maximum battery protection mode. And in maximum battery protection mode, the charging of your smartphone will stop at the battery level you set. For example, it is on 80%, so the charging of your smartphone will stop at 80%. But if you select 85 or 90, the charging of your smartphone will stop at the battery level you select. Also, avoid using your phone while it is charging to improve the battery lifespan. And this is how you can improve the battery lifespan on the Samsung Galaxy A07. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.